First up, hello, Nellis. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, as we are pulling our group into position. Watch now as Major Brown pulls the A-10 straight into the verticals, demonstrating the Warthog's power and maneuverability in all attitudes of flight. Major Brown is now configuring the A-10 for a pass down the runway, where he will perform a double aileron roll at show center. During this maneuver, he will demonstrate the Hog's rapid roll capability by rolling his 35,000-pound aircraft at almost 200 degrees per second. And now, from the left, Major Brown displaying the Warthog's rolling maneuverability. The Hog's precise handling characteristics. As Major Brown rolls the A-10, you'll notice a fake canopy painted on the belly of the aircraft directly underneath the cockpit. This false canopy is designed to deceive enemy ground troops as to the Warthog's direction of travel. And now, from the right, Major Brown and the slow roll. Aerobatic maneuver, the Cuban 8. It's the A-10's remarkable maneuverability that enables it to perform its close air support mission. Twisting and turning low over the battlefield, the Warthog can deliver devastating firepower, destroying targets close to friendly ground forces. In its arsenal are a wide variety of modern weapons, including J-dams, fabric missiles, unguided and laser-guided bombs, cluster bombs, rockets, 30mm bullets, and AIM-9 air-to-air missiles. All of these weapons have been used to attack enemy forces in Iraq, Bosnia, Kosovo, and Afghanistan. The A-10's two General Electric turbofan engines add more than just power to its performance. They're also smokeless and much quieter than comparable engines. This makes the airplane much harder to hear and aids immensely in achieving tactical surprise when attacking from all altitudes. The Hog engines are also extremely fuel efficient, enabling it to fly more than 2,000 miles without refueling. Add in-flight refueling, and the Warthog can fly non-stop to Europe and the Middle East. As Major Brown comes over the top, he will be repositioning his aircraft to perform a level 360-degree high G turn. It's the A-10's quick turn rate and small turn radius, which enables it to work effectively over the battlefield, even under marginal weather conditions. And now, from the left, Major Brown displaying the Warthog's high G turn capabilities. This capability allows the pilot to employ his weapons and then turn quickly to stay outside of enemy air defenses. Major Brown is now positioning his aircraft to demonstrate the A-10's slow speed controllability at its final approach airspeed of 140 miles per hour. Get your cameras ready, Las Vegas. This slow speed approach will give you a good chance to see the Warthog's paint scheme, one that's designed to make it more difficult to pick up visually. This design also reduces infrared radiation, which helps the A-10 defeat enemy heat-seeking missiles. And now, from the right, Major Brown and the slow speed pass. Let's go to the cockpit of his aircraft and see if Major Brown has any words for us today. every time it flies in every imaginable climate. During deployments, including Desert Shield, Desert Storm, Allied Force, Enduring Freedom, and Iraqi Freedom, the Hawk has consistently demonstrated its ability to fly more than 4 sorties per day, a tribute to the skill and dedication of our magnificent maintenance crew. Major Brown is now positioning the aircraft for a simulated street pass using the A-10's weapon of choice, the awesome Galway 30mm Gatling gun, firing bullets. Its big shell delivers 7 times the destructive energy of the more conventional 20mm round. It will now take Major Brown less than 30 seconds to get back to the firing position for a second strike attack. With 2 hogs working together, enemy forces could expect to be under A-10 fire once every 10 to 15 seconds. Major Brown is coming around for his final attack. He will simulate dropping 500-pound Mark 82 general purpose bombs. These general purpose bombs are useful for cratering airfields or destroying buildings, adding versatility to the Hog's arsenal of weapons. Major Brown is now performing a G-2 that's designed to make life very difficult for enemy anti-aircraft gunners because it frequently changes direction, airspeed, and altitude. The A-10 becomes a difficult target to shoot. The Warthog has a well-earned reputation for strength and striking power, a reputation earned in Kosovo, Afghanistan, and Iraq, where Hogs destroyed thousands of enemy armored vehicles, artillery sites, gun missiles, and even registered 2 air-to-air kills. Today, that legacy continues to grow. A-10s armed with advanced avionics, state-of-the-art targeting pods, and precision-guided bombs continue to fly missions in support of American and coalition efforts all over the world. And now, from the right, Major Brown and a 4-point roll, displaying the grace and the characteristics of the A-10. Ladies and gentlemen, Major Brown is now repositioning his A-10 behind and to the right to set up for the dedication pass. Major Brown and the rest of the A-10 West Infantry on the 350-minute platform dedicate this pass to those men from all branches of the U.S. Armed Forces and its allies.
I'm back here.
Grew up on their lives while defending our nation. And now, from the right, Major Brown and the dedication pass.